Hello everyone, this is C Hacker, and today I'm going to show you how to wrap any text in HTML within HTML tags, and we're going to be using Visual Studio Code to accomplish this. So the first thing you'll notice is that I have a very simple website set up right here with just a single paragraph tag in the body. Now as you can see right here it says that this text should be in bold and italics. So generally the standard way of doing this would be to click before the text and write your bold tag. But then if by default it will create the closing tag, so you have to undo that unless you have that setting turned off, and then you have to go to the end and create the closing tag. So it takes a minute, and that can be challenging, especially if you want to add multiple tags to a single line, or if there's lots of places where you need to be wrapping text, that can be a lot of work. And so today I'm going to show you a much more simplified way of doing it. Keep in mind that this will only work through VS Code, at least the way I'm going to show you, due to their extension library thing, the little store. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to head over to their extensions. Marketplace, that's the word they're looking for. And we're going to search HTML tag wrap. It's all one word. All right, and you'll see it right here, and you can read a little description about it or whatever. It's very self-explanatory, but just click install, and this will take just a second. There we go, it's all ready to go. And now, I don't even think we have to restart Visual Studio Code to start using it. I think it's ready automatically. So let's select all of this text that we want to wrap, and we're going to press Alt-W. As you can see, it automatically created two paragraph tags, an opening and a closing. Now it always creates paragraph tags by default, but as soon as you start typing, that will go away. So we want this to be bold, so we just hit B, and that's it. It's all wrapped. It's all very nicely set up, and we save that, and we see it's in bold, and then we can do it once more, Alt-W for italics. So it's very simple. This is especially useful if you are using multiple cursors to select multiple chunks of text at one time to wrap them. And if you want to learn about how to use multiple cursors in VS Code, then go to my video up here. But until next time, please like and subscribe, and see you next time.